Hey everyone, and welcome back to this series talking about Midjourney, discussing all parameters and prompts and learning how to use this amazing software. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about dynamic poses. So as you can see on my images that I've done here, these are portraits. So they look amazing, but they're very static images. So we want to try and create an element of movement within an image. So we are going to try that by using dynamic pose. So if we do our usual prompt, so forward slash imagine prompt, and then we are going to do astronaut dynamic pose. Okay, and then we'll do the same imagine prompt. Okay, and then we are going to do caveman dynamic pose, and let's see what Midjourney comes back with for us. Amazing. Okay, so let's see what Midjourney has created for us. So if we click on these astronauts, so you can see we've got that real amazing sense of movement within the images, which looks they just look so cool. I'm loving them. I'm not sure what the astronaut is doing in square 3, but I love the colours and everything. I think it looks so cool. So if you look back, obviously, from what we had previously done with the astronaut, they're very static poses, whereas we've now got that, sense of movement. And the caveman, let's have a look. Perfect. So they look very cool. I quite like square 1. It looks like he's mid-pounce. And they look amazing. So we could also combine the two. So if we do imagine prompt, and then we do portrait astronaut dynamic pose. So let's see what Midjourney comes up with there. Cool. Okay, Midjourney's done. Let's have a look. Oh wow! Oh my god. These just look fantastic. Oh my goodness, I'm loving square 2. I just love them all actually. Square 4, these look so good. So we've just got that sense of movement within the image, and that's just so cool. So just by putting in those different prompts there, we are generating those different images from static to adding that movement in. So that was dynamic pose. So if this video has helped you out, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel out so much, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.